Have you ever stood in your kitchen, opened the cupboard, and stared at that little orange box of baking soda, wondering if it could do more than just freshen your fridge or help cookies rise? I know it sounds strange, but inside that box is something many people completely overlook, especially those of us over 60. Yet, it could quietly be one of the most powerful health tools sitting in your home right now. Growing older brings wisdom, experience, and hopefully more time to care for ourselves. However, it also brings challenges, aching joints, poor digestion, weaker immunity, and nagging fatigue. While many of us search for answers in pills or expensive treatments, we might be missing a natural solution hiding in plain sight. Today, I want to have a real conversation with you. Not as a doctor, but as someone who believes that simple things done the right way can make a huge difference. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 surprisingly powerful ways baking soda may help you feel better, move easier, and live with more comfort, clarity, and confidence. I'm not saying this is some magical cure, but when used properly and safely, baking soda has been studied, trusted by grandmothers, and recommended by health professionals for decades. You deserve to know exactly how to use it and when not to. Stick with me to the end because I'll also share who should be cautious and how to use baking soda wisely without risking side effects. 1. Detox your body. Let's talk about something we rarely think about: detoxification. Every day, our bodies work hard to flush out waste, toxins, and excess acid. But after 60, that process can slow down, leaving us feeling sluggish or bloated. This is where baking soda can gently step in. When you mix a small amount of baking soda into water, it turns into an alkaline solution. This means it can help balance the acidity in your body, which naturally builds up from stress, diet, and medications. By making your internal environment slightly more alkaline, you give your organs, especially your kidneys, a little relief. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people with chronic kidney issues who took a daily dose of baking soda slowed the progression of their disease. It helped reduce the acid load on their kidneys. Soaking in a warm bath with baking soda isn't just soothing, it supports detox through your skin. Many report feeling calmer and sleeping better after a 20-minute soak. It's like giving your body a gentle reset. 2. Brighten your smile. As we age, our teeth start telling their own story. Years of coffee, tea, and maybe the occasional sweet treat can leave their mark. But what if I told you one of the most effective ways to brighten your smile might already be in your kitchen? Baking soda has been used for generations as a natural tooth cleanser, and there's solid science behind it. It works as a mild abrasive, gently lifting surface stains without damaging enamel. A study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry showed that toothpaste containing baking soda removes significantly more plaque and stains than those without it. Baking soda also helps balance the pH in your mouth, neutralizing acids left behind by food and bacteria. By creating a less acidic environment, it helps reduce harmful bacteria and supports healthier gums overall. Using a small amount of baking soda on a soft toothbrush a few times a week can be an effective way to maintain oral health, especially if you want to cut back on harsh chemicals. If you wear dentures, a baking soda soak can help clean them without causing damage while eliminating odors naturally. 3. Soothe heartburn. Now, let's talk about that burning sensation in your chest that seems to come out of nowhere. You know the feeling, a slow burn rising up after a meal. Heartburn isn't just uncomfortable, it can take a toll on your sleep, appetite, and mood. While antacids are everywhere, they're not always gentle. That's where baking soda quietly steps in. It's a fast-acting, doctor-approved way to ease that burning sensation naturally. When you mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly, it neutralizes the stomach acid pushing back into your esophagus. The National Institutes of Health recognizes baking soda as a legitimate antacid. It's been safely used for generations to calm occasional reflux and indigestion. However, it's meant for occasional use, not daily dependence. If you find yourself needing it all the time, check in with your doctor. 4. Tame itchy skin. Nothing is more irritating than an itch that won't quit, especially in those warm, damp places our bodies don't always talk about. If you've ever dealt with athlete's foot or ringworm, you know how persistent fungi can be. Baking soda has been showing its strength as a natural antifungal. A study published in Mycopathology found that sodium bicarbonate inhibited the growth of over 80% of fungal strains tested, including common ones responsible for skin infections. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment that fungi hate. Applying a baking soda paste to the affected area or soaking your feet in a warm bath with baking soda can make it much harder for those fungal invaders to stick around. It's gentle, with no burning or harsh residues, just a soothing remedy you can try at home. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. 5. Soothe canker sores. Next, let's discuss those painful little sores in your mouth that make it hard to eat or even talk. Canker sores may not be dangerous, but they can turn simple activities into a challenge, especially as we get older. Baking soda can actually help soothe those sores and speed up recovery. It neutralizes the acids in your mouth, creating an environment where the sore isn't constantly aggravated. A study in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that rinsing with a mild baking soda solution helped reduce pain and lower bacterial count in the area. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of warm water, swish it gently for 15 to 30 seconds, and spit it out a few times a day. You may notice the soreness fading faster. 6. Ease urinary discomfort. There's a certain discomfort that's hard to ignore, the burning feeling when you urinate. UTIs can make you feel miserable, especially in older adults. While baking soda isn't a cure, many seniors have found it can offer gentle relief. Baking soda helps reduce the acidity of your urine. When your urine is less acidic, it can be less painful to pass, easing that burning sensation. A study published in the Journal of Urology highlighted that women who drank a mild baking soda solution experienced noticeable relief from UTI symptoms. To try it, dissolve about half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water once or twice a day, but only for a short time. If symptoms persist, medical care is essential. 7. Combat muscle soreness. If you've ever felt the burn after a walk, you know how muscle soreness can weigh you down. Baking soda may help you move better. When taken in small doses, it helps reduce the acid that accumulates in muscles during activity. A meta-analysis in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism confirmed that sodium bicarbonate can improve short-term performance by delaying fatigue. It's not just for young athletes, it could offer seniors a nudge to stay active. Most people take about 1 teaspoon dissolved in water an hour before physical activity. Start small, as too much can lead to gas or nausea. 8. Support kidney health. Kidneys don't get much attention until they start acting up. By the time we reach our 60s, they've already filtered millions of gallons of blood. When they slow down, you might feel more tired or notice changes in your health. Baking soda may help support kidney health, especially for those with metabolic acidosis. A study in the American Society of Nephrology found that patients with chronic kidney disease who took daily doses of baking soda slowed their disease's progression. However, consult your doctor before using it, especially if you have high blood pressure. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 8 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. 9. Alleviate joint pain. If you wake up with stiff fingers or aching knees, you're not alone. Arthritis affects many older adults, and while medications can help, they often come with side effects. Baking soda might offer a natural way to manage discomfort. Researchers found that baking soda can signal the body to calm its inflammatory response, especially in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. A daily dose of baking soda may help reduce inflammation and ease pain. 10. Freshen up body odor. Finally, let's talk about body odor. As we age, our skin changes and sweat can lead to unpleasant smells. Baking soda is a great natural deodorant that absorbs moisture and neutralizes the acids in sweat. You can sprinkle a tiny pinch under your arms after showering or mix it with coconut oil for a paste. It's gentle and effective, with no harsh chemicals. Conclusion. Let's recap. Baking soda can detox your body, brighten your smile, soothe heartburn, tame itchy skin, ease canker sores, alleviate urinary discomfort, combat muscle soreness, support kidney health, reduce joint pain, and freshen body odor. This isn't about magical cures, it's about using simple, natural remedies that can make a real difference in your health. If you found even one helpful tip in today's video, let me know in the comments where you're watching from and which benefit surprised you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Your journey toward better health is just getting started. Until next time, take care of yourself. You're worth it.